स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट साइंस चैप्टर 2 है माइक्रोनिज्म्स फ्रेंड एंड फो। इसका क्वेश्चन 2 है एक्सप्लेन द कॉमन मेथड्स ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन। Spoilage of food prevented by preventing the growth of microbe in such a way that its nutritive value is maintained. This is called food preservation. The common methods of food preservation are as follows. Number 1, chemical method. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite are common preservatives used in the jams and squashes to check their spoilage. Number 2, preservation by salt. Salting used to preserve amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. Meat and fish are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Number 3, preservation by sugar. Jams, jellies and squashes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria which spoil food. Number 4, preservation by oil and vinegar. Use of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such environment. Vegetables, fruits, fish and meat are often preserved by this method. Number 5, heat and cold treatment. Milk is boiled and then keep in refrigerator. Food is also keep in refrigerator. Low temperature inhibits the growth of microbes. Number 6 is storage and packing. Dry fruits and even vegetables are sealed in airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. अभी जो क्वेश्चन 3 है स्टेट द कॉजेटिव माइक्रोब्स मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन एंड प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स फॉर फॉलोइंग ह्यूमन डिजीज। ये आपको टेबल दिया हुआ है, इसमें से आपको करना है। अभी नेक्स्ट आपको एक्टिविटीज़ है जो आपको मैं करवाती हूँ, आपको करनी है। टू ऑब्जर्व माइक्रोनिज्म्स दैट इनहैबिट इन सॉइल। Apparatus and materials, beaker, slide, dropper, water ground, soil, microscope. Procedure number 1, collect some moist soil from ground. Number 2, take soil in a beaker and add water to it. Number 3, stir it well and allow the soil particles to settle. Number 4, after the soil particles have settled down, take a drop of water from the beaker on glass slide with the help of dropper. Number 5, observe it under microscope. Observation, micronisms are seen in slide. Conclusion, micronisms live in soil. Now, activity number 2 है to observe microbes in pond water. Apparatus and materials, beaker, slide, microscope, pond water. Procedure है number 1, take some water in beaker from pond. Number 2, take 1 and 2 drops on glass slide and spread on it. Number 3, observe the slide under microscope. Observation, many different microbes are seen. Conclusion, microbes occur in pond water. Activity 3, to observe growth of yeast in soft dough of maida. Apparatus and materials, 1.5 kg maida, sugar, vessel, warm water is powder. Procedure 1 number, take 1.5 kg maida in a vessel to add some sugar and mix with warm water. Add a small amount of paste powder and knead to make a soft dough. Observe after 2 hours. Observation, dough of maida rises and becomes soft, fluffy होता है. Conclusion, growth of yeast occurred in dough of maida. Activity 4 है to observe fermentation process occurred by yeast. Apparatus and materials, beaker, sugar, yeast, powder, water. Procedure, take a 500 ml beaker filled up to 3/4 with water. Dissolve 2-3 teaspoons of sugar in it. Add half a spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. Keep it covered in a warm place for 4-5 hours. Now smell the solution. Observation, alcoholic smell comes from sugar solution. Conclusion, the sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. अभी next activity 5 है to demonstrate plant waste converted into manure. apparatus and materials, plant oils, broken plastic, toys, polythene bags, pieces of glass. Procedure. Take 2 pots of fill each pot half with soil. Mark them A and B. Number 2. Put plant waste in pot A and things like polythene bags, piece of glass and broken plastic, toys in pot B. Cover it with moist soil. Number 4. Put the pots aside. Observe them after 3-4 weeks. Observation: plant waste in pot has been decomposed but not any change is seen in pot B. Conclusion: the plant waste has been converted into manure by the action of microbes. अभी नीचे है आपके चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, जो मैं करवाती हूँ आपको करना है, ठीक है. वो इन्वेंटेड वैक्सीन फॉर रेबीज. ऑप्शन है डॉक्टर एडवर्ड जेनर, डॉक्टर बी अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग, नंबर सी है लुइस पेस्टियर, नंबर डी है रॉबर्ट कोच. तो इसका आंसर आएगा सी, लुइस पेस्टियर. नंबर 2. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग माइक्रोनिज्म कोज सिट्रस कैंकर इन प्लांट. इसके ऑप्शन है ए फंगी, बी प्रोटोजोआ, सी वायरस एंड डी बैक्टीरिया. तो आंसर आएगा डी बैक्टीरिया. नंबर 3. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कैरियर फॉर डेंगू वायरस. A house fly, B female Anopheles mosquito, C female Aedes mosquito, Aedes mosquito, नंबर डी बेड बग. तो आंसर आएगा सी, फीमेल एडियस मस्किटो. नंबर 4 है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट यूज एज अ केमिकल प्रिजर्वेटिव फॉर फूड. नंबर ए है एसिटिक एसिड, नंबर बी एमोनिया, नंबर सी सोडियम बेंजोएट, नंबर डी सोडियम मेटाब्यूसिल्फाइड. तो इसका आंसर आएगा बी, एमोनिया. नंबर 5. विच ऑटोट्रॉपिक्स एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन. ए ब्लू ग्रीन एलेक, बी रिजोबियम, सी स्पिरोगेरा, डी चैलामाइडोमोनस. तो इसका आंसर आएगा ए, ब्लू ग्रीन एलेक. नंबर 6 है वो इज अ कॉजेटिव एजेंट फॉर एड्स. ए वायरस, बी बैक्टीरिया, सी फंगी, डी प्रोटोजोआ. तो इसका आंसर आएगा ए, वायरस. नंबर 7 है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड इज यूज फॉर प्रिजर्वेटिव पिकल्स. पेस्चराइजेशन, बी स्टेरिलाइजेशन, सी सॉल्टिंग, डी हीट एंड कोल्ड. तो आंसर आएगा सी, सॉल्टिंग. नेक्स्ट आपको ये सब एक्सप्लेन करवाती हूँ जो आपको ध्यान देके सुनना है. पैथोजन, disease causing microorganism. Communicable disease, a disease spread by air, water, food or by contact with infected or diseased person. Vector, mosquito, housefly, cockroach, rat, etc. carry pathogens and spread the disease. Virus, ultra microscopic, obligatory, intraparasite and reproduce only inside the living cells. नंबर 5 है बैक्टीरिया, प्रोकैरियोटिक और प्रिमिटिव फॉर्म and unicellular microbes in various shape. Number 6 alec, unicellular and multicellular, photosynthetic and thallophytic group of plants. Number 7 fungi, unicellular or multicellular, eclophilous and parasitic or saprophytic thallophyte group of organisms. Yeast, unicellular fungi. Number 9 protozoa, unicellular microscopic form of animal group. Number 10 है food poisoning, contamination of food with pathogenic microbes of any toxic substance causing serious vomiting, diarrhea and even death. Fermentation, a process of production of alcohol or any organic acid by incomplete combustion of sugar with microbes in absence of oxygen. Number 12 है lactobacillus, roll shaped bacteria which convert milk into curd. Number 13 nitrogen cycle, cyclic transport of nitrogen in between atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and living organisms. Number 14 है नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, a process of conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into its salts. नंबर 15 है rhizobium, a rod shaped symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria living in the root nodules of leguminous plants. नंबर 16 है preservation, to maintain the quality of edible food or cooked food by preventing the growth of microorganisms as well as deterioration of nutrients in it. Number 17 है pasteurization. The milk is heated at 70 Celsius temperature for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. This is called pasteurization. Antibiotics. Certain substances which are produced by some microorganisms which prevent the growth and kill other pathogenic microbes are called antibiotics. Antibody. To fight against invading pathogenic microbes, immune system, our body produce specific protein. 20 vaccines, small quantity of dead or weakened pathogenic microorganisms injected in body for to stimulate the immune system for the production of antibody. ये आपका क्या हो गया, चैप्टर 2 कंप्लीट हो गया. मैंने देखो इसके आपको एक्सप्लेन करवा दिया, मैच द फॉलोइंग करवा दिया, ब्रीफली आंसर करवा दिए, डिफाइन करवा दिया और ये आपको